Bollywood actress Kareena Kapoor got pregnant for the second time during lockdown and on 21st February gave birth to second child. But the actress passed her due date and everybody became anxious when her due date got passed. But if the current reports are to be believed, then the reason why Kareena Kapoor delayed her pregnancy might be out. Well, Ranbir Kapoor, the father of Bebo, revealed during one of his interviews with media that Kareena's due date was on 15th February. And when the date crossed and no good news came, people started assuming various things for the delay in delivery. There was a speculation doing round on the internet that Kareena has opted for normal delivery this time. The report suggested that the couple is waiting for the labor pain to rise, which is why the delay is happening. But it looks like that was not true because reports are suggesting that Kareena has chosen C-section for this time too. And why did the delay happen in the delivery of the couple's second child? Recently, Bollywood Life has published an article where they contacted a numerologist. Numerologist Neeraj Manchanda has revealed that Kareena might have been surely suggested by an astrologer to choose the date 21st February. But why does the numerologist think so? Well, he has revealed that only on that day Mercury comes out of its retrograde. As the delivery happened on 21st of February, the newborn baby has strong moon, Saturn and Mercury. Because of these, he will become an achiever in his life with a very workaholic attitude. This is not confirmed yet by anyone. This is a mere assumption made by the numerologist. Do you think Bebo chose the date because of any astrologer's advice? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.